Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Friday, April 19th. Well, the strong cold front that we've been talking about for the past several days is moving through the Ohio Valley right now on its way to the East Coast. It will bring heavy showers and thunderstorms to the I-95 corridor late today and especially tonight from D.C. to Baltimore, Philadelphia, New York City. That cold front will sweep off the East Coast tomorrow morning, ushering in a chilly air mass for the Mid-Atlantic region. In fact, temperatures the next couple of nights should drop way down into the 30s in many Mid-Atlantic locations, and frost is not out of the question over the weekend in the normally colder suburban locations. Let's first start off by looking at the 24-hour temperature change because it kind of gives us a good indication of the impact of this cold frontal system. Lots of drops between this morning and yesterday morning out here over the middle part of the country behind that cold front. Lots of increases in the eastern part of the country here in the Mid-Atlantic region with a nice south or southwest flow of air developing ahead of the cold front. Again, this is all activity behind the cold front, a big drop in temperatures between this morning and yesterday morning. Meanwhile, winds have shifted to out of the south or southwest ahead of the cold front along the East Coast, boosting temperatures this morning compared to yesterday morning. Of course, all of this will translate from the west to the east and will cool off considerably tomorrow morning as compared to this morning here in the Mid-Atlantic region. Well, here's the latest surface map, and here is that strong cold front extending from the Great Lakes all the way down into the Gulf of Mexico region. Winds ahead of it will pick up in intensity today in the Mid-Atlantic region out of the south or southwest, boosting temperatures to 70 to 75 degrees in most Mid-Atlantic locations. There can be passing showers anytime during the day. The heaviest rain will occur late today and especially tonight along the I-95 corridor. Heavy showers and thunderstorms right now in the Ohio Valley, moving from west to east, and some snow right now across portions of Minnesota and Wisconsin. It's snowing right now, Madison, Wisconsin, for example, all on the backside in the very cold air mass for this time of the year in the upper part of the Midwest and the western Great Lakes region. Well, here's the latest radar loop from the Penn State eWall site. Shows that band of showers and thunderstorms moving across Ohio and eastern Kentucky down into Tennessee on the doorstep of western Pennsylvania. Not much going on here east of the mountains right now. I expect this to fill in some over the next couple of hours with scattered showers. I think there could be fairly numerous passing showers early to middle afternoon ahead of the main band of showers and thunderstorms that moves to the East Coast late this afternoon and especially tonight. Way up here in the northwest part of this particular viewpoint, this white represents some snow falling in portions of Wisconsin. Again, right now it's snowing down in Madison, Wisconsin, and in parts of Minnesota as well. Well, let's take a look at a few forecast maps for tonight, tomorrow morning, and tomorrow night using last night's Zero-Z GFS model run. By this evening, that cold front will be just on the western side of the East Coast with some heavy showers and thunderstorms, and there certainly can be some strong to perhaps even severe thunderstorms associated with this frontal system. The best chance for the severe weather will be from southeastern Virginia across eastern North Carolina late today. It's not out of the question some severe weather moves up into the portions of the Mid-Atlantic region, especially like Delmarva Peninsula region, even into southeastern PA, South Jersey, northern Maryland, northern Virginia. We'll monitor that over the next several hours. Colder air pours in across the Great Lakes. That chilly air mass moves into the Mid-Atlantic region for the upcoming weekend. Here's the forecast map for tomorrow morning. By this time, the precipitation will be pulling off the East Coast. It may take a little bit of a while. Early morning showers and clouds can certainly remain in the I-95 corridor, but they will give way rather quickly during the mid and late morning hours to mostly sunny skies. A breeze will pick up out of the northwest. It'll be a chilly day. High temperatures mainly in the upper 50s to lower 60s across the Mid-Atlantic region. If you happen to be going up to State College, it'll be a chilly day with quite a breeze out of the northwest. Temperatures struggling to reach 50 degrees, and they'll drop into the 20s tomorrow night up in State College, and the 30s in many Mid-Atlantic suburban locations tomorrow night and again on Sunday night. Chilly air continues here for the weekend out across the upper Midwest and the Great Lakes region. Finally, here's the forecast map for tomorrow night. And the possibility exists for some frost across many suburban locations here in the I-95 corridor, and certainly upstate Pennsylvania, upstate Maryland, New York. Certainly can see some frost by Sunday morning. One of the main reasons why it's very chilly air mass, and winds will die down quite a bit tomorrow night, allowing for some good radiational cooling. This strong high pressure actually intensifies as it moves to the east, and winds will kind of die down tomorrow evening. A perfect setup for radiational cooling and temperatures plummeting tomorrow night in this chilly air mass, again into the 30s in many of the big city suburbs of D.C., Baltimore, Philadelphia, New York City, and even in the 20s in parts of upstate Pennsylvania, for example. And frost is a possibility by Sunday morning. So stay tuned to the SIWeather.com. We'll monitor the possibility of some strong thunderstorm activity late today and tonight. That's it for now for the SIWeather.com. I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.